One of the disadvantages that WhatsApp presents when it comes to sharing videos and/or photos is the loss of quality of these, since the platform usually compresses its files automatically. The process to send an image is simple. The camera icon is pressed and the photo is selected from the gallery and the send option is chosen. It doesn't matter if it's video or image, it won't have the same quality as its original file. The trick to somehow deceive the application and avoid misunderstandings with files that do not arrive with the desired quality to its recipient can be achieved with the following steps. 1. Open the conversation to which you want to send the image. It can be a person or a group. 2. Press the attach icon at the bottom of the conversation. 3. After this step, select the document option. 4. Search for the photo or video between your phone's file explorer and not from the application in your phone's photo gallery. There is only a small disadvantage when using this method, and there is no preview of the image. However, you can access it through the photo folder or the gallery itself, this time with a quality equal to the original file.